Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to book a car ride on BlaBlaCar. First, open the BlaBlaCar app on your phone. On the home screen, you will see a search bar. Type your location and your destination. Next, select your travel date. After that, tap search. Now you will see list of available riders. Each rider shows the driver name, price, departure time, and the number of available seats. Tap on a rider to see more details. You can check the driver's profile and review and see the car details. If you are happy with the rider, tap book or request to book. Next, choose the number of seats you want, then confirm your booking. You may need to pay in the app depending on your location. Follow the instruction to complete payment. Once booked, you will receive a confirmation message with the driver's contact detail. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.